Hi children, welcome back to computer class. So we have finished our first chapter and now we are going to learn our second chapter, that is formatting text in MS Word. You all know what is MS Word, what is its use and how to open an MS Word document. So in this chapter we are going to learn more about formatting. Let us have a look. So listen all of you. Formatting helps us bring out the important information in our document and to organize a document in a better way. In MS Word 2016, most formatting options are located in the font and paragraph groups under the Home tab. Formatting means we have a document and we have to highlight or we have to make the document, different areas of a document, large, small. We have to make it more attractive or presentable. Then whatever things we are doing is known as formatting in our document. And in MS Word 2016, our text is following 2016 Word format. So in our text in MS Word 2016, the formatting options are mainly located in the Home tab. This is the Home tab and groups are there in the font group and in the paragraph group. So in MS Word 2016, the font group and paragraph group consist of the formatting options. First one is, let us have a look on what is font group. In MS Word, there are many options for adjusting the font of the text, including its type, size and colors. So we can change the color of a text, we can change its size and we can also change its type also. Changing the font of the text includes these steps. First one is, you have to select the text which you need to format. Click on the drop down arrow next to the font in the font group. You can see a drop down arrow here. This is the arrow. You have to click on that arrow and you can see a drop down list here. Scroll through the list of fonts in the font drop down menu that appears. Notice that the names of the fonts are written differently. This is because each font name is also a preview of how the text will look when you choose that font. You can see different fonts here and all these fonts are in different types. That means this is the preview of how that font looks like. So it will be easy for us to choose a font. Click on the desired font and the font will be changed for the selected text in the document. So when we click on this any font, so the selected text will be changed to that format. So this changing the font comes under the font group, that you have to note. Changing the text or text type comes under the font group. Next, default settings are the settings that are applied unless we make a change. Already in MS Word when we type something, there are some default values there that is already inside the MS Word. So the default type of font is MS Word is Calibri Body. This is the default font in MS Word. Calibri Body is the default font in MS Word. The size of the text can also be changed the same way we change the font. So we came to know how we change the font type, and here we can change the font size also. It is the same way. First you have to select the text and then you have to click on the drop arrow here. A drop down list appear and from that list you can choose the size of your font. And also the increase font size and decrease font size commands in the font group under the Home tab can also be used to change the font size. You can see two buttons like this, capital A, and you can see an arrow upward and you can see another A with the arrow downward. So if you have to increase the font size, you have to click on the up arrow A, and if you have to decrease the font size, you have to click on the down arrow A. So this is the easy way to change the font size. Next is how to change a font color. The default color of the text in MS Word is black. The steps to change the font colors are given. First you have to select the text for which colors need to be changed. One thing you have to notice, before doing any of the formatting options, you have to select the text. Click on the font color drop down arrow under the home tab. You have to click on the font color drop arrow. This is the font color. This is the font color, and you can see an arrow here. Click on that arrow. Select the desired font color from the various options in the font color drop down menu that appears. The color will be changed for the selected text in the document. So if you want to change the font color, you have to choose this option from the font group, and first of all you have to select the text and then click on the down arrow in the font color button, and you can see different colors appear. Select any color. So your selected text will be changed to the selected color. Next is highlighting the text. Highlighting means marking with a color in the background of the text. The text can be highlighted using the text highlight color option in the font group under the home tab. So it will be under the home tab in the font group. So highlighting means if you have to highlight or if you have to specify a particular area in your text, you have to choose the highlight option. You can see the highlight option button there. And next is the bold, italic and underline option. We can emphasize the text by making it bold. That means you can see this text is in bold. Italic means the text is in italics, and by underlining it, you can just select and underline. For applying any of these styles, select the text to be modified, then select the bold, italic or underline button from the font group. You can see these three buttons in the font group. If you have to change your text into bold or italic or underline, you have to choose any whatever thing you have, then select that. Just choose from the font group. Next is changing case of the text. We have learned about in the smaller classes, we have learned about letters are capital and small. So in this word also you can change the letters to uppercase or lowercase. For that, select the text for which the case needs to be changed. Click on the change case button in the font group under the home tab. Everything is under the home tab and font group. Then select the desired option from the list. The various common forms of writing sentence in MS Word are, we have learned that changing case means it comes under, there are 5 subcategories. That is, first one is sentence case. Sentence case means the first letter of the first word of the sentence is capitalized. The first letter of the first word is capitalized of the sentence. That means sentence case. Then lower case means all the characters will be in the small letter or lower case. Upper case means all the letters will be in the capital letter or upper case. Next is capitalize each word. That means the first letter of each word is capitalized. Here the T is capital, F will be capital, letter L will be capital. Like that, each word's first letter will be capitalized. The last type of case is toggle case. Toggle case means the uppercase and lowercase letters are interchanged. That means whatever things that you have typed in capital letter will be in small letter and vice versa. That means whatever things you have typed in small letter will be in capital letter. So these are the different forms of writing sentences in MS Word. This comes under the change case button in the font group under the home tab. Okay, we have learned the different cases, that is it comes under the home tab and in the font group. You have to click on the drop down arrow here and you can see the 5 cases here: sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. So these are the 5 cases that comes under the cases. Okay, we have homework. You have to write the following questions in your notebook. Answers will be given in the PDF. So we have learned different formatting options, and let us look on a demo how to change or how to format the options or how to use this formatting options. So here I have typed word computer here, and first we have learned about changing the font of a text. So for that I have to first select the text which I have to format, and you can see in the font group in the home tab you can see the here this is the you have to click on the down arrow and you can see different font types here, and this is the preview of the preview, and you can choose anyone. So your text have changed to another font. Next we have learned about font color. For that select the font and you can see here a drop down list. Here the font color option, click on the click on the down arrow and you can select any color, and you can see your font have changed to red color. Next we have learned about bold, italic and underline option. For that select the text and you can see in the font group B for bold. So click on the B and you can see your letters have changed to bold. Then again select the text and you can see italics I, click on that and you can see your text have changed. And next is the underline option. For that select the text and click on the underline option. So you can see the format happens. Next is changing the case of the text. For that you have to select the text first, then you can see here change case option and a down arrow. Click on the down arrow and you can see 5 options. That is, first one is sentence case, next one is lowercase. Look, the full alphabets changed into lowercase. Next is uppercase. So the full alphabet changed to uppercase. And next, capitalize each word means here only one word is there, so C will only be in capital letter. And the last one is toggle case. In toggle case, whatever things you have typed in capital will be changed to small, and whatever things you have typed in small will be capital. So here I have selected text and then click on the toggle case. So you can see the capital letters came to small letters and small letters came to capital letters. So that's all we have learned today. So hope you all understood the demo that we now seen what all things that we can do in a Word document. So hope you all understood the lesson and go through the textbook, read the textbook 2 or 3 times, write the questions in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.